Hello everyone and welcome to my first YouTube video. Today I'm gonna show you how I built my van, an old LT35. So first I have to say that I sadly enough didn't made that much videos during the process, so I'm gonna show you every step by a few pictures. When I bought the car it was completely empty and there was nothing inside, as you can see on the first pictures. My first step was to remove all the covers to get rid of the old insulation, which was honestly really bad. After removing all that old insulation, I started to cleaning the whole car and decided to continue with the new insulation on the next day, as it got already really late. When I wanted to continue on the next day, I got badly surprised as I saw there were some water drops at the floor of the van. So I found out that my roof was kind of rusty, so I needed to get this problem solved first before I could install the new insulation. On the following pictures you see how I got rid of the rusty spots. After that I decided to put some primer on it and also rust stop so it doesn't rust again. After that I put some silicone on the rusty spots so no water could get inside on these parts of the roof. After that I found some more rust spots inside of the car, so I needed to solve that as well. But in the end it worked out and I was able to start with the new noise insulation. In the video you can hear how big the difference with and without the noise insulation actually is. After I finished the noise insulation, it was time for me to start with the thermic insulation. So I decided to start with the roof, as all my covers were inside the car and I wanted to create myself a little bit more space. Actually, all of this took way longer than I expected, so I was really happy when I finished this step, so I could start with all the measuring inside the car. Afterwards, I wrote everything down and started to plan all the inventory with the exact sizes. After figuring out how I want to build everything, I started with the first wooden parts, which were first one of my side covers and second the bed frame, where I wanted to have the whole electronical system underneath. After the first basics were done, I wanted to have a look how it actually fits inside the car, and I was kinda happy about the result. So I continued with the rest of my bed and also with the rest of the other wooden parts, and step by step I put everything inside the van. After finishing all the frames for the back side of my van, I decided to continue with the front of my van and started to build the frames for my kitchen. So step by step you can see how the van got more full with all the inventory. When all the frames were inside and I exactly knew where all the inventory will exactly be, I decided to continue with the electronical system and all the wiring, as I thought that later in the process I will run out of space for all the cables. So first of all I started with the heating system. After the new heating system was installed and working perfectly fine, I continued building the kitchen around it, and I also built a new cover with a controlling panel in front of the heater. After I finished the last bits of the electronical system installation and wiring, which was one of the hardest parts for me, I began to paint all the inventory. So as you can see, some parts of the inventory I was painting inside of the car. For that I was covering everything with plastic, and some other parts of the inventory I was painting inside of my apartment, which was kind of interesting. When I finished the painting and everything was dry, I put everything back inside the van and screwed it together, testing the last bits. And yeah, I was kind of happy. You can see the result in the pictures. Please let me know how do you feel about this van build. Don't forget, it was the very first time for me to build something like that. And also, I need to apologize that my English is not perfect. Obviously, it's not my native language. If you have any ideas or tips for me, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to leave a like and a follow.